In the new year, we at UBP expect paradigm shifts will be needed amidst the new geopolitical landscape and a new economic terrain taking shape. These will be needed to walk the tightrope between new opportunities that are emerging and risks seen only in previous investing eras. Most meaningful among these shifts is the end of the zero interest rate and the negative inflation-adjusted interest rate era that supported economies since 2008. This means that bond investors, instead of seeking capital gains as interest rates fall, should focus on coupons and credit quality to drive returns. Entering the new year, we're stepping away from the short-duration floating rate bias of 2022 and once again increasing duration and adding credit risk into portfolios. With the 2023 recession on the horizon in the US and Europe, longer duration bonds should benefit, while the decade-high bond yields should offer investors good compensation to weather the likely cyclical rise in defaults in the year ahead. The 2023 recessions also mean investors should be wary of falling earnings in the new year. Fortunately, strategies are available to drive equity returns. First, wide valuation gaps between the US and non-US equities and a peak in the US dollar mean that investors can increasingly look outside the US for opportunities. Similarly, dividend-focused returns in defensive sectors like healthcare should offer shelter until the economy turns. Investors should focus on the next stage of energy transition as well, the build-out of green energy that will accelerate as interest rates peak in the new year. And lastly, despite having outperformed bonds and equity already, expect hedge funds to continue to offer shelter. Overall, as regime shifts that began in 2022 move on to their next phase in 2023, investors will need to update their investment approaches and their risk management strategies to navigate the transformation in the year ahead. For more details on our outlook and how we're walking the tightrope facing investors in 2023, please visit us on ubp.com.